5 chamomile tricks you've never tried. You know it as a cozy companion to your bedtime ritual, the quiet hero of a stressful day. But what if this tiny flower could do so much more than steep in your mug? You've probably sipped chamomile tea before. But did you know this humble herb can do so much more? From natural pain relief to mental health, and even supporting heart health, chamomile is a true powerhouse. So, it's time to think outside the teacup and explore some truly unique and creative ways to incorporate chamomile into your daily life. And guess what? We're sharing 5 chamomile hacks you won't find anywhere else, complete with easy recipes to try at home. So, sit back and let's explore the magic of this incredible flower. Number 1. Chamomile for hair care. Chamomile is packed with benefits for your hair and scalp. Chamomile contains flavonoids like apigenin, which have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. These compounds help repair damaged hair follicles and promote a healthy scalp. Additionally, chamomile's natural oils gently cleanse and condition the hair. On the other hand, the natural acids in chamomile help smooth the hair cuticle, reducing frizz and adding a glossy shine, making it a fantastic alternative to synthetic hair care products. Whether you're dealing with dryness, irritation, or just want to enhance your hair's natural beauty, a chamomile hair rinse is a simple chemical-free solution. Let's make our first recipe, chamomile hair rinse. So the ingredients you need: 3 tablespoons of dried chamomile flowers, 4 cups of hot water. First, steep 3 tablespoons of dried chamomile flowers in 4 cups of hot water for 30 minutes. Then, strain the liquid and let it cool completely. After shampooing, pour the chamomile rinse over your hair, making sure to saturate your scalp and strands. Finally, let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes, then rinse with cool water. This rinse will leave your hair soft, shiny, and smelling like a field of flowers. Chamomile's anti-inflammatory properties help soothe an irritated scalp, making it ideal for those with dandruff, psoriasis, or sensitive skin. Number 2. The 3-minute anxiety eraser. Let's start with something that will blow your mind. You can call it a 3-minute reset, and it works better than most anxiety medications. Chamomile has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for various ailments, but its benefits in reducing anxiety and depression are particularly noteworthy. Research has shown that chamomile contains a compound called apigenin, which binds to specific receptors in your brain. These receptors are part of the GABA neurotransmitter system, which plays a crucial role in regulating mood and promoting relaxation. This makes it a natural alternative to prescription medications for stress and anxiety. So let's dive into our second chamomile trick, chamomile bath soak for stress relief. Ingredients you need to make this recipe: 1 cup of Epsom salt, ½ cup of dried chamomile flowers, 10 drops of lavender essential oil. First, mix 1 cup of Epsom salt, 1/2 cup of dried chamomile flowers, and 10 drops of lavender essential oil. Then, add the mixture to a warm bath and soak for 20 to 30 minutes. Finally, the chamomile and Epsom salt work together to relax your muscles and calm your mind. This is a game changer for anyone dealing with stress or anxiety. The warm water helps your body absorb magnesium from the Epsom salt, which promotes relaxation, and the chamomile soothes your nerves. It's like a spa day at home. Let's move to another chamomile hack. Number 3. Chamomile for natural pain relief. Chamomile is a natural anti-inflammatory and antispasmodic, making it a fantastic remedy for lots of health problems. While most people know about chamomile tea, few realize how effective a chamomile compress can be for localized pain relief. This hack is perfect for period cramps, sore muscles, or even arthritis pain. The warmth of the compress helps improve blood circulation, while the chamomile reduces inflammation and relaxes tense muscles. Chamomile contains compounds like bisabolol and chamazoline, which have been scientifically proven to reduce inflammation and pain. So let's make the chamomile compress. Ingredients you need: 2 tablespoons of dried chamomile flowers, 2 cups of hot water. At first, steep 2 tablespoons of dried chamomile flowers in 2 cups of hot water for 15 minutes. Then, Strain the liquid and let it cool slightly. Now, soak a clean cloth in the warm chamomile infusion, wring it out, and apply it to the painful area. Finally, leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Repeat as needed. Unlike over-the-counter painkillers, chamomile has no side effects, making it a safe and effective alternative for long-term use. Number 4. Chamomile for heart health. Chamomile isn't just a calming herb, it's also a heart-healthy powerhouse. Studies have shown that chamomile can help lower blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and improve overall cardiovascular health. According to a study, chamomile consumption relieved hypertensive symptoms and significantly reduced systolic blood pressure, while also increasing urinary output. On the other hand, its rich antioxidant content, particularly flavonoids like apigenin, helps relax blood vessels, improve circulation, and protect your heart from oxidative stress. If you're looking for a natural way to support your heart health, chamomile is a simple and effective option. So don't forget the holy tea. Let's make it. Ingredients you need to make this recipe: 1 tablespoon of dried chamomile flowers, 2 cups of hot water, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 slice of lemon. Firstly, steep 1 tablespoon of dried chamomile flowers in 2 cups of hot water for 10 minutes. Then, strain the liquid and let it cool slightly. Finally, add a teaspoon of honey or a slice of lemon for flavor if desired. This tea is also packed with antioxidants that help reduce inflammation in the blood vessels, allowing for better blood flow and lower blood pressure. Chamomile's ability to relax the body and mind makes it a natural ally for cardiovascular wellness. Try to drink this tea daily to promote heart health and relaxation. Number 5. Natural relief for seasonal sniffles. Chamomile has antihistamine properties, making it a great natural remedy for allergies. Chamomile's anti-inflammatory properties help reduce swelling in your nasal passages, while its antihistamine effects alleviate allergy symptoms. Chamomile also contains quercetin, a natural compound that stabilizes mast cells and prevents the release of histamine, making it a powerful ally during allergy season. While most people rely on over-the-counter meds, a chamomile steam inhalation can provide quick relief. Let's make a recipe called chamomile steam inhalation. Ingredients you need: 2 cups of water, 1 tablespoon of dried chamomile flowers. First, boil 2 cups of water and add 1 tablespoon of dried chamomile flowers. Then, remove from heat and let it steep for 5 minutes. Now, place a towel over your head and inhale the steam for 5 to 10 minutes. This hack is perfect for clearing nasal congestion and soothing irritated sinuses. Let's deep dive into some cautions. While chamomile is generally safe and gentle, certain people should be extra careful when using it. If you're allergic to daisies, marigolds, or any plants in the daisy family, you should avoid chamomile as it belongs to the same plant family and could trigger similar allergic reactions. These reactions might include skin rashes, breathing problems, or other allergic symptoms. Those who are pregnant need to be particularly cautious with chamomile. While a light cup of chamomile tea occasionally might be fine, it's important to talk to your doctor first. This is because chamomile can act as a mild uterine stimulant and might affect your pregnancy. Similarly, if you're taking blood-thinning medications like warfarin, aspirin, or other anticoagulants, you should be careful with chamomile. The herb contains natural compounds that can thin your blood, and when combined with these medications, it might increase your risk of bleeding. When trying chamomile for the first time, always start with small amounts to test how your body responds. Everyone's body reacts differently to herbs, and it's important to watch for any unusual reactions. Finally, if you have any hormone-sensitive conditions, such as certain types of cancer or endometriosis, use chamomile with caution. The herb has mild effects similar to estrogen, which could potentially affect these conditions. If you have any concerns or existing health conditions, it's always best to consult with your healthcare provider before adding chamomile to your wellness routine. Finally, there you have it. These chamomile hacks can transform your health naturally. Remember to save this video for future reference. You'll want to try all these hacks. Drop a comment below with your favorite chamomile hack, And don't forget to share this video with anyone who needs natural healing solutions. Until next time, stay healthy and keep exploring the healing power of nature with Health Insight.